Fallacy of the twin primes conjecture. My motto? Plain honesty, simple truth, easy understanding, the joy of finding things out for yourself. The simpletons, a mathematical coat of arms. The motto? In Euclid we trust. Twin primes. If we take a pair of twin primes, say 41 and 43, then by the difference of squares, 43 squared minus 41 squared is equal to the sum of 43 plus 41 multiplied by the difference of 43 minus 41, which is equal to 168. And 168 minus 4, all divided by 4, equals 41. And 168 equals 24 times 7. Therefore, 1. 24n minus 4, all divided by 4, equals an odd integer. 2. 24n plus 4, all divided by 4, equals an odd integer. 3. 24n plus 12, all divided by 4, equals an odd integer. 4. 24n plus 20, all divided by 4, equals an odd integer. Tabling the results of the four equations as shown for rank n equal to 1 to infinity, step 1, then we do indeed generate every odd number from 5 to infinity. We pair the results of the four equations as shown in the table. Now equation 3 generates the odd numbers that are all multiples of 3, and since it is paired with equations 2 and 4, then it is self-evident that the pairings contained in the two columns 2, 3 and 3, 4 can never ever contain a pair of twin primes, which just leaves the single column 1, 2. The twin primes up to rank 28 are highlighted red, 11 in total, not including 2, 3 and 3, 5. The rank of the pairings where one of the pairings ends in a 5 are also highlighted red, and again it is self-evident that this affects half of all pairings in the column, all of which cannot form twin prime pairs. So the balance of column 1, 2 contains every twin prime pair that may possibly exist. Incidentally, the 1, 2 column is, after eliminating the composites of 5, identical to the mod 30 progressive sieve of Eratosthenes. Now, if at some time in the future a mathematician claims to have proved, using his illusory abstract maths, that there are indeed infinitely many twin prime pairs, then we as ignorant Joe Public will have to take it in good faith that he is right and telling us the truth, since it is beyond even the power of a mathematician to materialize an infinitely large prime, never mind a pair of them. When we have to take what we are being told in good faith and not by means demonstrable, then we have moved from a science to a religion. I therefore contend that the quest for a proof of the twin prime conjecture is just pie in the sky, meaningless, of no merit, and the only persons who will laud it as a great success are the mathematicians, the majority of whom will not even understand it. For anyone who hasn't heard or read about it, the Dane Hans Christian Andersen studied mathematics at Copenhagen University and obtained a first-class doctorate degree because of the beautiful account he wrote as the endorsement to his doctorate thesis. The title of the beautiful account? Why, The Emperor's New Clothes, of course.